Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us how we can find mn from this equation. Alright, quickly, let's apply one of the laws of logarithm that says that if we have log x base y equals to w, it's going to give us x equals to y raised to power w. Alright, so this is one of the laws of logarithm. And that is what we are applying here, and we also apply it here. All right, so from here that we have log m base 2 equals to x, it becomes m equals to 2 raised to power x. That is what we have for the first equation. And then the second equation, we have log n base 2 equals to y. We're also going to apply this law of logarithm, and then it gives us n equals to 2 raised to power y. All right, so that is what we have got from equation 1 and also from equation 2. All right, so let's find mn. Mn simply means we should multiply what m and n gives us. All right, so we have mn now to be equals to, mn will be, what is our m? Our m is 2 raised to power x multiplied by, what is our n? Our n is 2 raised to power y. All right, so now we're going to apply one of the laws of indices that says that if we have a raised to power x multiplied by a raised to power y, it gives a raised to power x plus y. Okay, now we have the same base, and then what do? You add the powers, and then we have 2 as the basis here. So what are we going to do to the power? We're going to add it just like we have it in this law of indices. All right, so we have x plus y, and that is what our answer will be. This is our final answer because we cannot add x and y together. All right, so it is as simple as this. Now let's quickly do something like this. We have log p base 3 equals to a, and we have log q base 3 equals to b. Right, so the question is now to find PQ. Right, so let's find PQ. Right, thanks guys for joining. Don't forget to comment your answer in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.